So gross. Oh, yeah. That was a good one. God, the things people do when they're fucking bored. Oh my god. Well, I tried to do like the small hiccup burps for that one person that was like, can we have more small hiccup burps? I have no idea what a hiccup burp is. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, WIT TTT24 or whatever, I'm calling you out. Beat that. And to everybody else, mwah! Sorry, that was so extremely disgusting. But you know what? I had fun doing that. Watch this. I didn't have any Dr. Pepper that time. That was all me, baby. All me. Hope you liked that one.